Well, welcome back to another update on the clock project. It's been a while, I know, for a few reasons. First, this isn't the only thing I do. I know that's kind of a facile excuse, but it's true. Second, I'm an inveterate procrastinator. Um, this is actually one of the projects that I'm working on to kind of improve on that if I can. And finally, menus. I said it before, it's true. Menus make my brain itch. They're finicky, they're tedious. Um, it's a lot of repetitive, do this 14 times for each thing that you want as a menu item. But they have to be done. So, having done most of that, this is actually starting to look and act like a clock. So, time and a button to switch to date. Pretty straightforward. The time and date obviously are kind of messed right now. I've been playing with this. So, obviously, I need to be able to set time and date. So, a button to switch between setting modes and a button to change the values in the clock. First one is 12 versus 24 hours. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. Personally, I'd be fine if it was just 24, but I know some people prefer 12 hours. And the problem that poses is that they have to be set differently, they have to be displayed differently. I'm not going to do the 12-hour right away. I have a bunch of other stuff to do, and I can think about how I'm going to implement that as I go. So for right now, it's going to be 24-hour time. Need to be able to set the time. So hours, 22, 23, where are we right now? We're 15 and change, so let's go around to 15. I have 15:58, so let's make this 16 by the time we get to set it. And minutes, I'll give myself 01. That should give us plenty of time to set this when it comes around. And you'll notice that seconds aren't on the display. We're not going to set those. What we're going to do is set the minutes that we want to hit. And we'll come back here. Then when it hits 16:01 and 0 seconds, then we'll hit set, which is what the fourth button is for. Date, I'm not messing with this. 25 is the earliest date. Again, everything has to have bounds, so I don't imagine anyone wanting to set it to an earlier date than the present. So I've left it at 25 with a top of 60. If it runs until 2060, that would be just awesome. And we hopped over, so let's go back around. Obviously it's not the 8th month, it's only the 5th. And currently it's the 14th. And again, here's one of those things that it goes up until 31 and then loops around. Again, it has to all have a bound, upper and lower limits. The one weird thing about this is that it's actually possible to set weird dates like February 30th or June 31st. I don't know if I really want to fix that or not. Probably not. It's one of those niggling little things that people can work around. So anyway, that's the end of the date setting. If I go back out to the main time, you see that that's running the date that we currently have. Let's go back in there. So 16:01 is what I'm waiting for. And we have about 30 seconds. So that's where we're at right now. Keep in mind that all of this stuff from here up is going to stay. This is all the clock stuff. And in the future, all this display stuff is what's going to be changed over. And I'm going to replace these LEDs with vacuum fluorescent displays, and it's going to be beautiful. But for now, let's just get this time set. I'm about 8 seconds out. 4, 3, 2, 1, set. And I should be able to go back out to my time display. 16:01 in a few seconds. And 25:05:14. So that's what we got for now. Like I said, all of this stuff up here is the time. There's the clock circuit. That's all going to stay. And the next job will be to change out the display for vacuum fluorescent displays. So for now, thanks for watching, and we'll let you know when we have something new to show you.